Hello friends and welcome to PyShine. This is part 7 of the PyQt5 learning series. In the previous part 6 tutorial, we created a dynamic GUI to plot the CSV data file. Today, we will add the drag and drop feature to this GUI. Simply drag and drop the CSV file on the GUI, and its data will be plotted. A variety of themes can be applied and saved as well. Today, we already have the GUI from the previous part 6 tutorial. Let's say you have some CSV files, and you just want to quickly open them. Just like this, drag and drop to plot the data, instead of using Open button. So to achieve this feature, let's start the coding. Let's run the previous main.py file. We have 5 CSV files to plot. Let's have a look at them. If we try to drag and drop a CSV file, then the main window will not allow this drop. We can see the red icon for this purpose. Alright, so first we need the main window to allow the drops. Make a new drag_drop.py file in the same directory as main.py file. Here, we can import that main.py file as main, as we require the UI main window, so we will import it from main. Also, we will import the PyQt5 essentials and the system library. Depending on the operating system of the platform, we will acquire the URL. In Python, super method allows us to call methods of the superclass in our subclass. Its primary purpose is to extend the functionality of the inherited object. Here, the main window is subclass, and the UI_main window is parent or superclass. The advantage of using super is to get unbound inheritance. It is the concept in object-oriented programming, where a class inherits the attributes and behaviors from another class without needing to implement them again. Therefore, here the self is a subclass with all the features inherited. So, let's accept the drag and drops on it. MIME is a media type, and also known as a multipurpose internet mail extensions. It is a standard that indicates the nature and format of a document, file, or assortment of bytes. Let's make the drag enter event function, which will acquire the MIME data. If the event with MIME data has the URL, then we will accept it, otherwise we will ignore this drag event. Let's run this code to check that the window is accepting drops or not. Yes, the main window is accepting drops. As we drag the file on the main window, the plus icon indicates that we can drop the MIME data on it. Alright, let's make another function for the drag move event, so that we can catch the event while the mouse is moving over the window. Finally, we make the drop event function. It will decide what to do with the acquired MIME URL data. So, once we locate the file address, we will assign it to self.filename and then call the self.readData function. It will plot the data on the canvas of main window. Let's save and run it. Alright, let's drag and drop the files on the main window. You can see that each CSV file has a different name, and the title of each plot is also changing dynamically. Let's view the inside data of these files as well. That's all for today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to PyShine. Have a nice day and see you again.